Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you guys well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today you can see beside me two boys. First on you can see, what's your name?
My name is Naeem.
Well, what's your name?
My name is Arafat Islam.
Okay, so you can see guys, there are two boys. They are really pretty boy, and you can see they are really interested to learn English, as well as they can speak English very well. A little bit, you know that they are little. That's why. So what class do you read in?
I did in class 3.
What class do you read in?
I did in class 3.
Oh well, that's great. Sounds great. You can see, guys, they are little one. That's why they read in class like 3. But they really interested to learn English. So that's the procedure. So I gonna share the message everyone's that if you have the brothers or little brothers or a child, so it can be it's you can just influence, you can motivate them, you can just surprise them, say that yeah, you can also speak in English, because it is very necessary, and it will be really important when the children will be grow up. They can speak English, they will be able to speak English. So that's why so when I get free time, that time I spend with this type of kids, because I love to motivate them, and I really want one thing, that when the boy will be the grow up, they will be able to talk like me, or like a good speaker. One thing that in my country, the most of the people, they can't speak English, they won't speak English, because our we are take it's like a difficult subject. That's why they never can't like they never try to speak in English, because they are afraid. So by the way, so now you can see here is Arafat. So Arafat, so say Arafat gonna like tell a poem. So let's start it.
Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Raise your hand. Can you if the today?
Wow, that's great. Really amazing. It's marvelous. I'm really glad to hear that. Okay. By the way, I'm most of the time when I get free time, I already told you guys, I spend my time with the kids, because I want one thing, that still you can see our young generation, they are addicted with mobile phone, they are addicted with many kinds of drugs. But I want one thing, that when this type of boy will be, this generation will be bigger, then they at least know the English, and they so the English, as well as they will be the good person. So that's why I'm always trying, I take this step, so that this I support most basically I'm support this type of little on, so that they never fluctuate from their right path. So by the way, so that's all for now. See you in the another video, guys. I hope this video gonna help you to understand really that yeah, I have the kids, I have little brother, or I have son, or so you can also teach them in English, little words, no problem. So do you know, Arafat, what is the meaning of red? রেড অর্থ কি জানো?
হ্যাঁ,
what is the meaning of red?
red অর্থ লাল.
Oh, good. Do you know what is the meaning of ant?
And অর্থ এবং.
So ant, it's a ant, it can be pipilika. Okay, well, no, don't afraid. Okay, by the way, so what is your name? It's a এটার বাংলা কি হবে জানো?
হ্যাঁ,
কি বলো তো?
তোমার নাম কি?
Oh, they can speak English. You know, you already see like watching this video. This is the guy will be understand. They can still speak English little bit, because they are little. They still like reading study in class 3, but they have interested. So each thing really interested. So by the way, now one thing, so you can see, guys, it's my village, and behind me you can see my background, jute, and it's my own like our own property. And you can see I love natures, and I love this type of natures, green natures. That makes me energetic. That's give me refresh things. That's why I love to connect it with the nature. By the way, so now I'm gonna ending this video. So see you in the another video, guys. Bye.
Bye.